Welcome. Thank you for joining us. We're doing a series of unboxing videos of some figures we picked up quite a while back. This is going to be an unboxing for this Batman figure from something called Batman of Bethlehem. This is not a story, or it's just not something we're familiar with at all. I thought maybe this was from Batman the White Knight or something. Looks like a really cool figure though, so let's give it a look. I'd never seen this figure anywhere at retail or conventions, so I don't know much about it as far as if there's variants of it or whatever. Also reminds me bits of Gotham by Gaslight. Have they done figures for that? Okay. So as you can see, he's got this really nice soft goods coat. Doesn't look like he's too terrible with the strap in, but I am worried that the knife might cause some... There we go, okay. That was nice and easy, but what about the torso here? I'm worried that the knife might do something to the jacket. There we go, all right. So this is a nice looking figure. Doesn't come with any accessories. I don't know if the character in general, wherever it's from, had accessories. I'm guessing it did because Batman, but this is really hard plastic. I'd be worried about it snapping on the head. Can look up. Oh, it looks up nicely. Cool. And can look down. Does it turn? It turns enough. I guess his vision would be impeded anyway. So the belt's solid. There are no little hooks or clasps to remove it. There's Velcro here, keeping the coat closed. See about the legs. Knees appear to be double jointed. Ooh, wow, super double jointed. Look at how, yeah, see, that's kind of silly. Don't know if I like that. Ankles are weird. Interesting. Huh. So they twist at the top of the ankle. They also point near the bottom of the ankle. Toes point. So I'm guessing they have absolutely no detail under this jacket, like probably not a bat symbol or anything. Well, the jacket maybe doesn't even come off because of this. The legs appear to be able to split. Nice motion in the arms and the shoulders. Overall, this figure is, I suppose, more about aesthetics than anything else. Just because it's kind of cool and everything. Cool looking. It's got the nice long jacket, the cowl. They should have made the cowl rubbery, really. I don't like that it's this brittle sounding plastic. And I like the gauntlets. Looks very chunky, almost like The Dark Knight Returns. Once again, this is a figure probably more for aesthetics than anything else, just because it looks really cool. All right, so this was the Batman of Bethlehem figure, not a story arc I'm familiar with. More than happy to learn about it, though. All right, let's move on to another unboxing video. As always, stay healthy, always be kind. Take care.